Hello everybody! I'm not going to unbox anything from LookFantastic, but with this video I want to help you to understand if you want to get a subscription for LookFantastic Beauty Box or not. If you're interested, let's start. In the beginning, just a few words about LookFantastic Beauty Box. LookFantastic is a cosmetic company which is based in the UK. You can buy a subscription for a LookFantastic Beauty Box and get a box every month. You have different possibilities, either 3, 6, 12 months or a flex subscription. The cheapest price is, of course, when you have a year subscription. It is €15.50 per month, and the most flexible one, which can be, for example, only 1 month, is €20. In the beginning of every month, you are getting a box which has 6 different products. Which kind of products can be there? It can be either cosmetics or some creams or accessories, completely different things. In general, I can say that I really liked what I found inside of my boxes throughout the whole year. In 99% cases, I really liked the product and was able to use them. Sometimes if I don't need it, for example, I just can give it as a present to my friends, which is also quite nice. As it is a UK-based company, most of the products are local brands. It means that normally if I'm going to a store, most probably I would not look at them and would not try. But with LookFantastic Beauty Box, I was able to get to know them and understand if I like them or not. And I can tell you that I was quite happy about the products. There were brands which I already know and love, but also some new brands, and I'm so happy that thanks to these boxes I could get this experience with them. Again, if we are speaking about products, there were creams and cosmetics of full sizes as well as mini products. But anyway, even it is like quite a small bottle, it's still more than enough to understand if you like it or not and if you are going to buy it in the future or not. I want to share with you a few products which I really liked when I got them with LookFantastic Beauty Box. Some of them I still have. Maybe the first one is a glove. This is a startup from Poland. They provide these pads for makeup removal, that you don't have to use the cotton pad, and sometimes you can even just do it with water. I really love them. I ordered much more and also gave it to some of my friends. Another one is Sleek Makeup. I knew about this brand and I used it, but I never used this eyebrow stylist. Quite happy with it, and I'm sure I'm going to get the second one. Then there was this Meso mask from Filorga Laboratories from Paris. I really like the result at the end. And also here I do have, it is called Oskia London. This is the Renaissance Cleansing Gel. Totally in love with this gel. And there was another thing, it was a skin booster from Elizabeth Arden. It was really small sample size, but it was so great, and now I'm dreaming about the full size bottle. How to understand if it is for you or not? So if you love all these bottles, all these creams, cosmetics, you are an open-minded person and you love to get the packages, it might be a good idea for you. I have one tip for you. In case you decide to go for this subscription, do it at least for 6 months, or the best case scenario for 12 months. Because with this time period you will be able to feel and enjoy this experience, and also to have this feeling of getting a present, so to say, every month. Because if you're going to do it just for 1 month or for 3 months, this time will really fly and you will not enjoy that. And I can assure you that if you are paying, for example, €15 per month, you'll get the products which worth much more. You might have a question, do you get, for example, the same products like from the box in the first month and in the box somewhere in the 9th or 11th months. I can say that I never got the same product, but maybe from the same category, which is not that bad. In case you still do not need it, again, you can give it as a present to someone. I got this subscription as a birthday present, and actually it is a great idea because I was getting a present every month. Like, what can be better? So think about it if you are looking for a birthday idea for someone. I can say that 99% of the products I really liked. And I know that there is a problem with some other these kind of subscriptions, that for example you're paying 5 or 10 euros and then you're getting a box with the products you most probably do not need, do not like, or will not use. So you just create the garbage for the environment. But with the LookFantastic Beauty Box, I used almost all of the products and was quite happy about them. So you are paying this amount of money and consuming all of that. Don't forget to hit the thumb up button and subscribe to my channel. You will be able to watch more videos regarding products and services reviews, as well as best footage traveling videos and interesting tips for you. See you soon in my next videos. Goodbye!